Hey guys, Abhishek here at 20 years old, brand and visual graphic designer based in India. So it's going on my first web design in Adobe Photoshop, and let's start. That's going on web section in the Photoshop new section, and select web most common and transparent background and just create a file. Design is for jeans exchanging website, and I am showing you the color palette cause it's the our color palette for our website design. Green is stands for the money, red is stands for emergency or quickly, like the world is quickly, and red is stands for quickly or emergency or action taking theme, and white is stands for peace. First of all, we create a red background. Cause it's like emergency website. It's like quickly. Your work will quickly done by us. It shows this. So we will take the red color for the background. Now I need jeans to show in the website. So here you can see I downloaded a jeans image. I'm cutting it down from the background using pen tool. I covered pen tool in that video. You can see the video with the card link above. I'm placing the jeans design in my UI design template so that we will design. And I imported this shape from a website close blob maker, and we will change its color with color overlay to the red. Now we have to place the content of the website. So firstly, we will write text on our website template. I am using the SF Pro, that is iPhone font, that is my favorite one. Okay, now we will have to create a button for the action of the user. We are taking the color of this button is green cause it stands for money, like turn your jeans into real cash. We will write turn now on this button with some bold effect. I want to show a cashback offer which user can cut if he or she want. Now we have to add some icons and some more options up on the top of our website design template. So I added search, cart or profile and a checkout button. I want to give some heavy tone to the checkout button so that it stands for urgency, like you have to check out, you are checking out, that's the thing. And the icons I downloaded from flaticons.com. You can see the website on your Google. Now we have to add a search bar in the left of the icons. Now I want to add some effects or some text in the left of the search bar. Okay, so I am adding turnover, about and shop button on the top and of the left of the search bar button. And I want to give a heavy output to the turnover button and want to add some effect so that we can say that it is open in this website. Here we go. Let's turn our background color into green and let's see what is the result. This is the result, but I really want the red color because the brief is like urgency. In the brief, it is clearly shown that you need to worry about urgency. So the red color stands for urgency. So we have to fix the red color, and I want to add a really thin line on the top, very top of the design. Cashback offer. We write it on the get instant 80% off on your first turnover. I want to write that line on that green line very top of the design. This is very trendy. You have to. This is my very first UI design. If you will support, guys, I will be right back to you, and I will design them in the Figma. I really don't know about Figma, but I will learn Figma if you guys will support this video. For me, the sense of support is shows like if this video cross 100 views, then we will continue with more UI design tutorials. So here we go. And the last thing we need is the logo. I placed the logo, and the last thing I really missing out, that is the white line under the about, shop, turnover, search bar, and icons buttons. Here we go, guys. That is a wrap, guys. Write down your thoughts in the comment section. The comment section is only for you guys. Please support me. I need your support. Signing off.